How to fix Messenger page isn't available right now. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily fix the page where it says the page isn't available right now. This usually happens because of a few reasons. So the first one being unstable internet. So if you don't have a stable enough internet connection, you might be facing the issue while trying to load up your chats or any kind of attachment that has been sent to you. So for that, you can try to switch over to mobile data if you're using Wi-Fi or vice versa. So if you're on data, just switch it off, turn on your Wi-Fi, and then open your Messenger. The other thing you can try to do is long press and hold on the app, tap on the I button right here to go to app info. Once your app info is open, just go ahead and go to permissions. Make sure all of the permissions are allowed. And then from here, just go back and go to battery users. Make sure it's set to optimized or unrestricted. And then finally, you can try to force stop the app. Because if there is something running on the background, force stopping it will completely shut it down and completely start a new task. And once all of that is done, you can just give your phone a quick restart and see if your messengers will start working normally. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.